In this video, we are going to host a static website or a page on AWS S3 bucket. So this is our sample page of HTML. Let me show you how it's look like in Chrome. So it's browser in a browser. It's look like this one. And now we will go to the AWS console and go to S3 bucket. Yeah. So I will create a new bucket and you can set any bucket name, a unique bucket name, right, with small letters. So I will set it static website. Yeah, static website app, static website page, right? So now we can go with the uh, just uncheck the block all public and acknowledge this one. We are doing this because we have to set our bucket public. So now I will click on create bucket. Yeah. So in bucket list, you can see my static website page bucket has been created. Now I have to upload that HTML code file, right? So I'm just uploading that one. Yeah. So it's uploaded. Now I will go to the properties, and if you see there are many properties like server access logging and all that about events, but we have to add it with static web hosting, right? So we have to enable this property. So in the index document or error document, index document, we have to just put the name, exact name of our page. So I copy that name and then put it. If you have an index.html, you can go with that one, right? So I have a static web, so I go with that. So now I have save it. Yeah. So uh, when we go with the properties, at very end you can see there is a link of a website. So when I go with that link, so you can see there is a forbidden error. So this is because our bucket is not public completely. So for that one I have to just put a policy, right, public policy in a bucket policy. So copy this one. You can get it from AWS documents page, or you can get it from internet as well. Yeah. So now added the bucket policy. Yeah. I have to put the that same as it is and just have to copy a bucket name which I am going to public. So now when I put it, so and go with the save button. Yeah. So now I will try again that link. So once I try, it will work, and we can show the same page exactly what we have uploaded. So this is a way how can we just host our HTML or static website. Even if you have a CSS or other files, you can upload all the files and just use your index file in a main field, and then the whole web page or static website will be uploaded on S3 bucket, and it will be hosted with the link which is provided in the static web hosting. So now